Well, hello everyone. Chris here with Road Tripping Disc Golf. We are continuing our 25 for 25 new to moi disc golf courses for the year. We're in Brown Summit, North Kakalaki, and we're at the Haw River State Park. It's a little 9-hole course, a little over 2,000 feet. Looks like it's going to be really fun because as you can see, we have a lot of leaf cover here. I believe this thing is pretty much 100% wooded. But we're going to have some fun. Hopefully we can find our disc. And appreciate you joining us, old man, out here on our disc golfing adventures. Please come along with us. Alrighty. We're at hole 192-foot par 3, Haw River State Park. This place has a little lake, nature trail going around it. It has cabins that you can stay here. Really nice looking place. All right, let's see what we can do with this course. Got a gravel tee pad. And let's see here. We got an Eagle Scout project. Good old Jacob Russell. Troop 103. December of 2013 was when this was put in. Very nice, very nice. All right, tee pad. Nothing but woods. Basket sitting up. And look at all the ground cover. Oh boy. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, starting off with our hole 1 here with the hex. Let's see if we can get it down through here. Hopefully stay in the lane. Make it a little easier to find it. All right. Okay, give me a skip. All right, not too bad. On a bad shot, guys. We're about 70 foot to the basket. I think a little less than 70, but let's see if we get a pixel up here. Got a chance for a bird, just a long putt. And nope, but that's fine. Starting off a blind course with a par, that's always good. And for that par. All right. Beautiful day out here. We've gotten up into the low 50s so far. Gonna be a sunshiny day, a little light wind. Might get some gust up around 10 miles an hour or so. But hey, we're throwing plastic and having fun. All right, guys. Hole 2, 205 foot, par 3. Have our launch pad. Got our alleyway. And you can't see the basket hardly, but it is right down in that area. All right, got a loop behind these trees. All right, we're gonna throw the fishing train, see if we can shake this shot. Again, this is just throw it and miss the trees best as possible. Oh, Rick O'Shea. Well. Leave this thing around here somewhere. We got some trees. We'll take the range. We can flip it right on up there. All right, get a tap in. Doesn't look like this course gets a whole lot of use. Paths are really not worn at all from walking. So let's go ahead and par this one out. All right. It'd be nice to see some folks come in here and love the course a little bit, do a little TLC and clean it up. It's a little rough bringing the cart in here, but it's not undoable. All right, guys, hole 3 here at Haw River. 157 par 3. We've got our launch pad. We have elevation, fairway, baskets off to the right. So let's see what we can do. All right, I'm gonna throw the tempo. I'm gonna go back to a forehand and see if I have any luck with it this time. Get around there. All right, let's see what we got. All right, guys, I can see the basket. It's very tight fairway. I got nature, good old trees. I guess I'm gonna try to just figure out a way to flip this thing up there and get it closer, because I gotta work around. Maybe if I can flick it up through here and miss these trees. And that's a negatory. All right, we're gonna flip it up here and see if we can get it. And outside of circle 1, uphill. Let's try this. And just a little short, but parked. First bogey. First bogey, guys. First bogey. Don't get off the fairway on hole 3. All right. All right, guys. Here at hole 4. 197 foot par 3. We got our launch pad, fairway, which is kind of deceiving because you would think you're throwing down straight in the middle here, but actually you're going to be throwing this way. The basket is actually sitting right up there, and yeah, this one's throw it and hope you miss the wood. All right, I'm gonna throw the balance on this hole. I think I'm just gonna try to throw it high, let the balance work itself back to the left. Again, hope the line's good enough to miss them. Big tree. All right, not too bad, not too bad. All right, we got a little distance there. If I can get between these 2 oaks and try to count out this pine tree. Let's see what we can do here. Right. Okay, we got a tap in putt for 4. All right. Par for 4. All right. Got me one over this moment. Hole 5, coming up. Hole 5 here at Haw River State Park. 256 par 3. Got our tee pad. We've got to go to the right or to the left of the tree, and the basket is actually sitting, I don't know if I can get it in the shot, but it's sitting up over the hill there. All right, let's go for this. All right, I'm gonna throw the detour. And I'm gonna see if I can get through that split. Oh, that's even better. Oh, a tree limb knocked me down. It was looking so good, so good. All right, basket in sight. See if we can take the tempo about 150 feet out. Throw it out to the right, let it come back. Skip up there. All right, I think we got us to tap in, guys. Yeah. The par. That works, that works, that works. All right, we're up to hole 6, 246, par 3. Got our launch pad. Fairway is very tight. Showing go down here between those trees. Hook to the right. The basket is sitting right down there. All right. I'm gonna have fun with this one. All right, I'm gonna throw the heck in Keep from being a woody woodpecker. Oh, come on. All right, we're a little down the hill, but it didn't hit a tree. Well, guys, I'm having a leafy good time here. See where this disc went. Oh, it finally showed up. It finally showed up. It tried to hide. Alrighty. I don't really have a direct line, so I'm going to have to flip it up there and hope I can get it close to the captain. Under the basket works. It works. And the tippity drop. Oh, all right. I need to get a birdie somewhere so I can get this back to even. All right, we're up to hole 7, 210, par 3. Got a launch pad. Our fairway goes up above these trees, and you head down the hill to the basket. All right, more fun, more fun. Guess I'm gonna try the tempo. See if I can get it to come back around for me. Oh, there we go. Come on down, come on down. Give me a good tree. Oh, well. Oh. Okay, fellas. Obviously, I don't think I can go on a straight line. We're going to throw it out here to the right and let the range drop back in. Okay, got the putt. And keep the par on this hole. Par. Hole 8, 182 feet, par 3. Got our launch pad. We got severe elevation, and the basket is sitting up on top of that hill. I can't actually see it from here at the moment, but we're gonna throw. All right, I'm gonna throw my signal. And try my best to just get it on top of the hill. Okay, hopefully we got a good look. Well, not a bad up shot up that hill at all. I'm right at T1's edge, it's saying, so let's see what we can do. And no. All right, no call, no call. Keeping a par. All right, like it a lot. Made it to hole 9. This one's a doozy. 376 par 3. How about that? After all these shorter holes. Launch pad. Now this is what's fun. Fairway is literally straight down over the picnic tables and the seating around the fire pit. And then you go straight down the hill there. And it's by the lower wood line. This ought to be interesting. All right, I'm gonna throw the relay. Hopefully I can get some good glide on it. Seems to be that way for me. I put it right over the backs of the seating facing the fire pit. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, hopefully we got a look for an upshot. All right, basket in sight behind the big oak tree down there. You can see the sign for T1. I'll take the rings and see if we can get it down there. Come on, drop. Oh, good kick. Good kick, finally. Good kick. All right, guys. The kick helped me. That's what the basket. Okay. All right, let's finish this up. There we go. There we go. Par for 9. All right, +1 for the round. Thank you guys for joining this old man, Chris, with Road Tripping Disc Golf today for what is my 15th course of my 25 for 25 Mutemois courses for the year. November the 15th, we got 10 more to go. Please, down below, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll know when we upload our next videos, and follow along on this adventure of me checking out new courses on the East Coast side at the moment, but we're getting in various places as we go, because obviously I'm gonna run out of courses and I have to go further and further, right? But we're here at Brown Summit in North Carolina at the Haw River State Park. It's a cute little 9-hole course. It is fair for your carts. The actual hard part of the course is coming down the hill to get to it. It's kind of rough on a cart, but beyond that, it's not too bad. The course does need some maintenance. A lot of sticks, a lot of leaves, and fresh sprouts that need to be cut before they start growing any bigger. But it's a beautiful place. As you can see, I got the lake here behind me. You can enjoy this, sit. It's nice and peaceful. They're doing some leaf cleaning. I don't know if you can hear that coming up through the mic. But, you know, it's all in all, it's a nice place. It's just off 29 South, not too far, and beautiful area. And we're going to be up in, 70s today here. And I don't know, I'm just enjoying it. But guys, appreciate you coming along for the ride. And please, throw some plastic.